Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious long donuts at home. First, let's prepare our dough. Begin by warming 1/2 cup of milk and dissolving 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. In a separate bowl, combine 2 1/2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, add 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and the yeast mixture. Knead for about 10 minutes until smooth. Once your dough is ready, it's time for the first proofing. Cover the bowl and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough. Roll it out into a rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Then, carefully cut the dough into long strips, roughly 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Place these on parchment paper for a quick second rise. Now for the exciting part, frying. Pour about 3 inches of vegetable oil into a deep pot and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few of your long donut strips into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until they turn a lovely golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and let them drain on a wire rack. Finally, let's add that perfect finishing touch with a simple glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. While the donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Let any extra glaze drip off before placing them on a cooling rack. Serve your incredible homemade long donuts right away for maximum enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.